Sound is vibrations.
Whether it's our vocal cords or the skin of a drop. When an object vibrates, it makes the molecules of air around it vibrate. The vibration is transmitted from molecule to molecule. When it reaches your ear, the vibration becomes a sound.
The oscilloscope measures the number of vibrations per second. That's what we call sound frequency.
Rapid vibrations, high frequencies produce high-pitched sounds.
Low frequencies give deep sounds.
So, ladies and gentlemen, whether high or low...
Born of cold and winter air and mountain rain combining, this icy force, both foul and fair, has a frozen harbor mining.
The cold never bothered me anyway. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
Make it clear.